Little chairlift wisdom for life and fitness here, folks. Remember, you don't want to put all of your eggs in one basket. There's a lot of messages out there telling you that some single thing is the be-all, end-all responsibility for your results, be it losing weight, building muscle, and stuff like that, like, sugar, candy, right? There's a lot of stuff out there telling you that everything you're trying to do rests solely on this one thing. Oh, and at the same time, everything else doesn't matter. Calories don't matter, fat doesn't matter, meal size, portion size doesn't matter, cardio doesn't matter, all that sort of thing. The fact of the matter, of course, is that's not how fitness works. That's not how life works. Instead, everything has its influence. This piece of candy has some degree of influence over everything in my body. But that influence is always changing and is always different for everybody. This little bit here is going to be different for me now that I'm skiing bump runs all day than if I was like sitting in an office all day long and being sedentary. So some influences are bigger for some people, smaller for other people. But the bottom line is, when we focus too much of accomplishing what we want on a very narrow set of influences or a very singular influence and ignore everything else, you're going to be working much harder. It's a heck of a lot harder to make progress, and you're always going to be limited. So everything matters. The real question is, what is the size of the influence and how much does it matter to you? Be fit, live free.